Yo, my general, can I show you one trick from presentation? Magic trick.
Magic trick?
Yeah, card trick. Come in and shit now. Watch ya. Show you next trick. Give me your slippers. That foot there.
Which one?
That foot there first.
This?
Anyone, just give me anyone. Watch this. Next foot. Shit, sorry for the tip here.
Alright, good.
Alright. Two on lock on the eye. Don't cheat, lock on the eye and lift up your hand. Alright. Lift one up on the head. You and lock your eye, brother. Don't cheat. Ready? Lock your eye. Count to 10.
What? Yo, I must joke this.
Are we rolling? So, today for the new prank, we're gonna steal shoes. We're making the intro short and sweet. Before you watch that video, yeah, go and subscribe to my new channel. I post bloopers and like other pranks and other stuff over there. Yeah, today we're gonna thief shoes from people by doing magic tricks, card tricks. We're gonna lure them in and things. Special guest, I know him. I see him the last time. You see me? The dog named PJ.
Now let me. Yes.
So cool. Remember me at the mic, bro. Come closer.
We're out here with the pranks.
Yeah, man. Plug your channel. Plug your channel, bro.
BG so cool. Look for it somewhere. I know the dog can put it, but BG
Come
so
closer,
cool.
come
Out here
Yeah.
with the bag of pranks, you know, so you know it's gonna be lit as usual. 5,000 likes. No one can do it, you know, man. Alright, guys. BG so cool. I'm out.
Him ambitious. Him ambitious punk.
You're not sure what we're doing, but we're the trick.
Alright, so what you do? Let me show them the trick first.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, I know a trick, guys. I'm gonna throw up the card, you go disappear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. This is my boom.
Shit.
So you do it though?
Yeah.
Stop.
That's all?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know your card. But I'm gonna use them two cards there and find a card. Alright? You can catch?
Make me feel so, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna catch the deck.
Wait, they want me to catch?
What
Wait,
am I
what I gotta do?
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the deck
Uh,
and one card I got left between them two cards there. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it so and one card I got left. So you ready?
Alright, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do it already still.
Uh-huh.
Don't look on it, you know. Take it, don't look on it. What was the card?
6 spear. A second?
6 spear?
Mhm.
Alright, looking for your card.
Oh, yeah.
Your card?
Yeah.
Alright, see? I don't know why she's so defensive.
How are you doing? How are you doing? Teach me now.
I want hold on, I'm not done. Alright. Alright, hold up. Alright, give me that slippers then.
Yep.
I did I'm not done. Alright, give me the next one. Alright, watch this. Come on. Alright, watch. Alright. Count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Yo, my general, can I show you one trick from presentation? Magic trick.
Magic trick?
Yeah, card trick. Come in and shit now. Alright, watch ya. If you, alright. 10 for stop.
Stop.
Alright, look on that. You know it? Alright, I fix by the deck. 10 stop again.
Stop.
That's all?
Yeah.
Alright, put it on top. And then give me a hand flat. Alright, watch this. Now cut the deck. 1, 2, 3, and then 10 stop again. Still now look. 1, 2.
Stop.
Alright, so I never see a card that. Them two card I can find girl card. A magic trick, my G. Watch out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fling the deck so one card I got left in between them two. You understand?
Yeah. So one card I got it there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna fling it so one card I got left. You understand? Oh, but
I hear a card. What was the card? Right? Alright, show you next trick. Give me your slippers. That foot there.
Which one?
That foot there first.
This?
Anyone, just give me anyone. Watch this. Next foot. Shit, sorry for the tip here. Alright. 2 on, lock on the eye. Don't cheat, lock on the eye and lift up your hand. Alright. Hold up on the head. You and lock your eye, brother. Don't cheat. Ready? Lock your eye. Count to 10.
What?
When me I give up my slip-on, brother. Oh, man, so I see you smell the juice? Yeah, man.
Come out and say that now, I'm going to see a bunch of steps up. Let's see how I'm going to say. Let's see how I'm going to say. Oh, see man, say so.
Yo, I must joke this.
And I don't have to fall bucket.
Kiddo, touch me on it, touch me on it, kiddo.
Nothing to him there.
Touch me on it.
Yeah, man, good man.
Touch me on it. Eh?
See the man just.
Wait for
You want to see me?
Again. Stop. Alright. I never tell you say you can't this. Hold this. Never tell you say you can't that neither. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is them 2 card there. Them 2 card there, I gotta find theme card because I'm a magician, I know what I'm taking for. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta throw out the deck. 1 card I got left in between the 2 card them. One at top, one at bottom. So I do this, one I got left in between. Understand? Alright, ready? I can this? I can? Alright, I'll show you next trick. Give me your shoes, give me that foot there. Alright.
Crocs here. Yeah, the Crocs here.
Take off, brother.
In a sock. Alright, don't, give me that foot there first. Don't step on them shoes. I don't hear the top of the socks. Alright. Boom. I have like 2 more tricks. Alright. Step on your 2 or something, car. Need the next. No, I need the next. Yeah, dog.
Stand up.
Sorry, dog.
Yeah, socks.
Alright, you want me to show you the next trick? The next trick.
Go on, man. Take off here.
Alright. Alright. Go again. Alright, yeah. Alright, lift up the 2 on them. Up in the ear. Lock your eye. Close. Count to 7. Count to 7.
1, 2.
You have to lock them tight, but they are cheat. Don't look panic. What was the card?
Man, you touch your card, man.
Eh? Look panic. You see how much did I say how much it may show you?
I know much, boy.
I know if you catch me, sick.
Alright, hold this. Alright, give me that foot there. Not your foot, the slippers. Madman. Boom. Next foot. Alright. Alright, lift up your hand then. Lift up your hand at the head, brother. Alright, lock your eye. And close the count to 3. Still for me?
Yes, bro, God.
Oh, tell me how much.
Come on, let's talk about it, bro, God.
You know, say, you know, where is place? Mirror behind there, can I reflect?
Can I reflect?
But it's funny, brother, so me I go feed it here, bro, God. We never want to make you know so me I feed it here still, but me have to feed it here because we can't believe we make a man TV shows, bro, God. We couldn't make a man TV shows. Yeah.
People in the car, we see prep the phone.
A prep. You know, you can't see me a prep the phone, bro, God.
Yeah, you know. Anytime soon.
Me?
Who's ever company?
Can I charge this? Yeah? Like charger, bro, God. I mean, if you don't like charger.
Money never hard.
Yo, tell the man about the car.
I tell the man, man.
You ask me, brother.
Oh.
I can't believe him fall for that dog. Where am I? You now move. Yo, me I wait till him walk off, you know. Me now move, friends. Me I wait till him walk off. People sorry about my disgusting laugh, but I know this was funny. Yo, the man's slippers smell funny, you know. Waggy man. Him now walk out. Him see ya? Me now move it. I use them two cards and find a card, because I don't know which one is your card. So, you can catch?
No.
Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the deck, one card I got left in between. I'm going to throw it so, and one card I got left. You understand? Alright, you ready? But I throw it already. Alright, that card there? I'll go one.
My girl.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now you see one girl.
You blame say mine? Oh shit, no, you blame say iron.
No.
See there?
You know, say my
Alright, watch out.
No, but how did you know that? Though?
Wait, no, I'll show you next trick. Give me a bag. Which is the smallest part? Put the deck. I don't want to go in here, so you put the deck in there. The smallest part. Close it now. Alright, stand up. And lift up your hand. Clasp them. Up. Alright, lock your eye. Count to 5. Wait, let me show you our next trick. Alright, give me a bag. What? No, bro. Alright. Just give me the bag. Alright, what I need you to do?
No, you don't lift it, man.
Alright, close your eyes and count to...
At least.
Close your eyes and count to 10. Bang.
Warfare, dark side. Yo, TMI. Na 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 na. Tell them say my beats don't fake. I know you make the cheese don't hate. Yo, Reeves, yo, Dada. Yo, Tata, get the weed and the grabber. Clean beats from my feet, man, I hustle on. Smoke every day like a muffler. Follow the leader. Them gyal give we heading at the theater. Man a star, so go and go tell Gleaner. Send me new clocks better than Rima. Gyal a say the dark side hotter than fever. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Yeah, gyal a look me in me eyes and they tell me say me nice and she ready to go get up. Yo.
So I don't know what the card is, but I'm gonna use this to find it. And this too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the deck so and you're gonna catch it. So it's like this. One card I got left in between here, so I'm gonna throw it so and one card I got left. Ready? But it don't happen. Alright, so just
Did you pick a card?
Yeah.
alright, don't look on it now. Look on it now. Tell me for your card.
That's good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, let me show you. I have two other tricks I can show you. Give me a shoe. Yeah, hold this. So give me. Alright, watch this. Give me half the deck. Give me the next shoe.
Can you go to run out with my shoes?
No. You saw that somewhere?
No, I don't know.
Oh.
Learn them trigger.
Alright, do your hands like this? No, back way. Next hand. Put in your pocket. Alright, close your eye and count to 5. If you give back your shoes, big one thing. Him just dead like him nah. Like him, no, like him expect it to come back to him.
Expect it to come back.
I feel like just prank him the real way.
Prank in the real way. Don't give back him shoes.
Don't give back his shoes.
Alright, but I'm going to go video him and save him for the league.
Walk a look. I swear, miss. Walk us. No, I can't believe you walk up and down. Ja, no. I swear. Ja, no. Say that's a walk going barefoot. No. Ja, no star. But I find a security on campus still. I make them know what I want, you see me? You can't make people wear thief shoes. Ja, no star. So you don't know the security where you can go to?
I think just someone actually sticking around.
Oh. Ja, no.
Give back. Yeah, baby. Give back. The game done? Alright, watch out. You ready? Sorry. What? Ready. Tell me to stop.
Stop.
Stop again, hold on. Stop 2 times. Hold on.
Can I show them the car?
Yeah, our. Listen, you look like a troublemaker now. You don't talk first side of the game. You ready? Come. Can you might tell me hold on? You good, bro? You want to change the card?
Stick it up. Change the card.
No, you like the number there.
Stick it.
Go back, keep.
Nah, confuse me now. You ready now? Tell me to stop again.
Stop.
Put the card on top.
The card on top?
Yeah. Flatten your hand. Give me a hand like this. Like this. Watch this. 1. 2, 3. You know, none of them cards in your card. No? Are your card? None of them? So the hardest. No? Alright, tell me to stop.
Stop.
Yeah?
I used to tell you.
One. Stop.
Give me that card. Them 2 cards I got find your card. See? I got this. I got throw the deck. 1 card I got left. You know the. Are you card this? Yeah? Can you help me please? Me have a next trick for showing you. I'm not done.
That's crazy.
And the breeze that fuck up your thing.
Yeah, dog. In the system, I'm really not trying. I have a bad trick for showing you, dog. Hold on. Wait. Alright, you stand up. Dog, you know how much? Big man, no dog, no. I call me a dog some 15-year-old. Yo, give me a crux.
Yo, trick no, Josh.
The line is outside.
Now focus. Now do our next trick now. For the first trick stay, bad. Give me a next crux.
No, I'm just tricking.
Alright, stand up. Jesus. Can you get up? I don't know what to say. Alright. Lift up your arms in the air. Count to 5. Close your eyes.
Oh my God. Steady, no my God.
Man, people look hard.
I don't feel no shoes in.
Man, people look hard.
Man, stay. No, me say man.
Man, go to
Put in the audio.
No, man.
So if you don't just punish him, man, that's what.
Let's punish him, man.
Don't give him a well, we have a crux.
You didn't want a new beer still. What's that?
We are giving back. I think see you up there. I'm gonna just walk and make it look.
Realistic.
Yeah, like.
No way, no deadness of your eye, bro, God.
Well, bro, if you watch the video, you know where to find a crux. It's the under, the backyard, all this. Oh my God! The crux is right there, sir. So, subscribe. You want to leave? You want to go in? Oh, let's go home. Oh, let's go home. Oh, let's go home. Like, we don't have to stay here, dog. You know what? Nah, give me that. I want to stay.
Warfare. Dark side. Yo, TMI. Na, 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 no, na, 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 no, na, na, no, no, na, na. Tell them some beats don't fake. I know you make the cheese don't hate.
How you feel, bro, God? Man, sip as less.
Compete, man. That's good thing, say,
Yeah?
Man, let me slide, that designer.
Yo, the new style. Out and bad. John. Hear him back.
Yeah, like you know some kind of
Come in.
Wait, dog, that?
You forgot about the dog.
Oh, what dog, yeah?
Man, I say, oh, they have a video this. But I said, no, they have a TV, me, I watch it. Dog, you know, say, oh, I always play such a dog. It reflect, dog. It reflect, you know, dog. The mirror show say it reflect, dog.
Alright.
And someone, they stand up beside that, it reflect, so they get bigger. So I'm gonna say, oh, you can see it like this, you know, dog. Man, look for the mirror, man, I say, oh, dog, you need to go funny, dog. Man, will be there, man, you know.
Yeah, you can subscribe to the channel.
When really made the man take the man shoes.
From the man asking for the shoes when I said that go on. So the man taking it. Very man. Half sacks.
Da, what kind of friend be youth?
From this is a party crack. Was man, I hate this man. She was them gone now.
Dog. And then you get pranked. You get pranked really soon. Be careful there what you do. Tell anybody that go move. Yeah. No, be sorry.
Yo, bro, God, they are so great. You're good, bro, God. You're good. Oh, yeah.
Darling, my cat in here back. I never deep nothing. It's a prank.
I go fight you, I swear.
It's a prank. Oh, you bored? Run off with your shoes.
Sure.
Tell her, say that.
Anything for the chicken.